My video is...
Degree students, and the degree names will be called into our HODs, the two names. Tafadhali. So let us have a sample for the same, then we can take it up. Brian, Daktari, please.
Inform all the students. Okay.
Hey, yeah, come with me as we go to school to watch my fellow classmates past in the past graduating. Yeah, I will not be one of them. I'm not graduating, but I'm going to celebrate with them. It's a very funny feeling. You are trying to be happy for them, but there is that little ache wishing you are also one of them, but knowing so well there is nothing that you can. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. The graduation started a little bit earlier, and yeah, I gotta go, and yeah, let's see how it's going to be. I know you're wondering why I'm also not graduating, but it's a story that I'll unfold as this video continues. Yeah, so kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button, subscribe and like the video, and let's see how this day is gonna unfold. Yesterday it was the rehearsals for the graduation, and I happened to meet a few of my past classmates. Is that the right word to say? And funny thing, they all tend to behave as if I'm grieving. Okay, I think they understand the feeling. It's not the best feeling ever, but I like how they kept saying that, don't worry, your time is coming and all that. Life is fun. Let's just say life is fun, because I would never have thought that the graduation day will come and I wouldn't be one of the people that will be graduating. I wouldn't be in the list. Yeah, but we gotta go and celebrate. Something else, I can't wait to see other people. Actually, it's like been more than 2 years. Yeah, when I deferred, and I know some of them have really changed. Some are now mothers, some are pregnant and all that. It feels good when you meet your past friends. Yeah, I'm just about to arrive at the gate, and let me tell you, there are so many cars at the gate. I don't know whether it's going to be an issue for me to enter. Also, I'm in business, I'm also selling some snacks, because now if I am not doing any business, what business do I have coming? Yeah, you don't get to waste time. You have to look for that money. So today is going to be a beautiful day. I know it. I have no doubt. Funny thing, I have never attended a graduation in our school, and today is going to be my first experience to see and know how it always is. One thing I'm seeing, there are so many people inside, so many cars, vehicles.
And what happens, we have very good facilities for ladies. They excel. walking up the dais kwa mwendo wa siasa.
Beth Kadwe, Brigita Kinyili, Hannah Ngina, Juliet Muturi, Luce Chege, Mary Nyambura, Mary Waitaka, Purity Nzau, Rachel Ndungu.
Today, as I watched them, as they were graduating, I felt some kind of peace in my heart because I believe also in the near future I'm also going to be there, and I really cry some tears of joy when I look at the far I have come. I cannot wait for that day. Watching them today made me realize that indeed life and everyone, and I mean everyone, have a very different path for their own lives. Kuja. Why? Watu wameng'ara. You know, I was just thinking so much today. I was remembering when, don't know whether this camera, when we had joined the school and we were, the first, second semester, and we were discussing of how we are going to see this day, the graduation day. We would dream about it. We would talk about it. Nobody would even imagine that today we would come, and I wouldn't be among them. Life had a different plan for me. Yeah, at least I had to take time. It's not because that I gave up, but I needed to maybe more prepared and all that stuff. Yeah, because even though I did not wear that graduation gown today, but I'm still moving forward. I'm still growing. I'm still becoming better, and still there is so much hope for me because very soon I will graduate and I will be more proud of myself because I have fought for it. Okay? Yeah, I stood strong. I would have chosen to give up, but I decided no. I was going to stand strong until I get what I want. And to anyone, because I do know one thing, it's not just me. There are so many people who are watching, so many people graduating and wondering why they are not also graduating because they know they wanted to be there. Let me tell you something. Your time is coming. And also there are people who had post their dreams. They wanted to achieve things in life. Life, sometimes you cannot, You cannot know, you cannot predict what's going to happen. So one thing for sure is that that time it's always like a refining time. We're being refined, and there's always something more better coming, more than that. I strongly believe that, and I have no doubt in my heart. So take heart. Yeah, it's okay to believe that most likely you're supposed to be in the same space with people that you are once in the same place. But sometimes the best thing to do is not to compare yourself. Like, just don't compare yourself. Just celebrate them, but also do not negate the fact that your time is coming. Might be in a different field in life, but the truth is your time is coming. This is not the end of my story. The waiting chapter, and I have to wait until my time comes. And the good news is that my business did well. At least today was actually a very good day for me. Imagine doing something or a business and it performs so well, exceeding your expectation. So apart from watching my past classmate graduate, I also added confidence to myself, because when you start a business and it performs well, it boosts your confidence. So it's a win for me, and it's a win for them. Till next time, guys. Bye.